Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Torres and I'm going to show you my approach for the shopping project. I have already implemented all the functions, so I'm going to show you how this works. So here we can see that we have a pretty good rate of negative rate and true positive rate. We're going to run it again to see how this does, and we can see we have pretty much the same output. Here we also maintained pretty much the same. We did a little bit better here with the true positive rate, and one last time we are going to see how much we do. Well, we can see that in average we did a 40% positive rate and a 90% negative rate, so well, that's the result.